Hello. In this video, I will explain how to use the draft mode of the iOS app, Voxel Drafter. This mode is for building voxel objects created with Voxel Drafter in Minecraft. There are several ways to create a voxel object, and there are related videos available. In this case, I created a voxel object from this stuffed animal. This is the screen after creating it. If you want to display such a voxel object in Minecraft, there are two ways to do it. One is to create MC function files in Minecraft data output mode, and then import it into Minecraft to display it. However, this can only be used with the Java edition of Minecraft. There is a related video on this as well, so please watch that. The other way is to use the draft mode, which I will explain in this video. This can be done in any edition of Minecraft. This draft mode shows you a cross-sectional view of the object, and you place blocks one by one in Minecraft while looking at it. So you can use any edition of Minecraft to build. Now let's try using draft mode by tapping the draft button in the upper right corner. You can see a lot of squares on the screen, which is a cross-sectional view of a layer. The dark blue area means there are no voxels. If I drag the screen, I can see pink and white squares. These are the voxels that make up the voxel object. In some cases, small squares are drawn, which means that there is a block on the layer below. This will help you know where to place the blocks. Let's press the menu button in the upper right corner. The voxel object is displayed translucently, and only the target layer is drawn. In this case, the 30th layer of the XZ plane is the target layer. If the layer has not been changed, pressing the close button will return it to its original location so that you can see which part of the whole is being used for construction. Press the menu button again. When you have finished placing all the blocks in the target layer, use this button to change the layer number. Press the close button to return to the origin of the new layer. In addition, the edge of the layer indicates how many voxels are in the row or column. If the number is 0, you will know immediately that there are no blocks to be placed. For example, if you have placed a block to the right edge of the screen and want to go back to the left edge, double-tap the left center of the screen to instantly scroll to the left edge. Double-tap the top, bottom, left, or right area of the screen to scroll to the respective edge. Press the upper right button again. You can change the base plane by tapping the base plane button. Note that the XYZ coordinates are the same as in Minecraft, where the y-axis is perpendicular to the ground. You can also use this memo to leave a note of your work, such as next, layer 31. This was the explanation of the draft mode. Now I'll show you how I actually use this mode to build in Minecraft. The frame size of the voxel object is 90 width, 64 height, and 99 depth, so I looked for a place as wide as possible. After clearing a good area, I laid out stones with a size of 90 by 64. I will build the object on top of this. I will be building on one layer at a time, and to get the coordinates of where to put the blocks, I put down dirt blocks every 10th block. However, as the building got higher and higher, I couldn't see the blocks I placed, so I started using glass blocks. In one layer, I placed a block every 10, from 1 to 10, then 10 to 20, and so on. When I finished one layer, I changed to the layer one layer higher, and then repeated the process. You can get creative with the procedure. After placing all the blocks, I made some visual corrections. Here is the finished object. It took me for about 5 weeks. I think it would be more fun to do this in survival mode. So that's how to build in Minecraft using draft mode. Here's a time-lapse video of the process, although it's not so easy on the eyes. Thank you for watching this video.